surprises, but yeah. The last one is going to be the Jagannath Stavak. So basically, like so far we have, having the individual performances, but we did not get a chance to have a mass bhajan. Okay. The main purpose of this Jagannath Stavak, I've given this seat to everybody, is so everyone will be participating into this bhajan, and so that they can feel, they can have this, the pleasure of chanting for Lord Jagannath. So this is Jagannath Stavak. This Jagannath Stavak has been written by Dr. Chandravanu Satpathy. He is one among the very the reputed person and a spiritualist and a scientist, and he has got multiple fold of talent. He is a big devotee of Sri Shirdi Sai Baba and a big devotee of Lord Jagannath too. And there has been many achievements from him. We can discuss sometime later, but this is a great thing that we can get started with. And going forward, in our upcoming puja, we will ensure this mass chanting will continue, so that everyone will be the part of this bhajan and everyone can have the opportunity to sing for Lord Jagannath. Thank you. So today, maybe I will get started with this, and you all can continue with me, and those who are having the scripts with you. And this is again a recital of the Bhagavad as well. Okay. So I will have my Rishi. He is going to support me with the Trushan. Do you want to come here as well? Okay. That's it. Okay. Yeah. First, he's going to give the prelude. Okay. Yes, you can get started with the prelude. Baba, not Rishi. Sit down here. Yes, you can get started. You start, Rishi. Yes. Sri Jagannath, Jagannath, He Parmohanath, Nath, Nirachara Parvata Pare, Basichu Dadi Tire, Balarama Subhadra Daru Brahma Rupe Kanai Narasimha Adi Hare Saguna Vigraha Rupare Mandira Sise Nila Chakra Tora Se Sudarsana Se chakra ghuri atasare sakala srushti rakhya kare tovana ude phara phara bhakta durga kare juhara hastake kiya kase Nehura kare to sakase bhakta dakire tu adhira jeviti ho manastira dekhi se bana bhakta dhaye akure to mandira jaye तो चकाडोळा सदा खोला दांडरे दुःखिंकर गेला मंदिर द्वार बंद हुए किंतु तो आखि खोला थाए तू नाथ भक्तंकर प्राण भक्त
तो हात पार असंपूर्ण हे रे तू पूर्ण परपूर्ण तो हात पार शक्ती होई ब्रह्मांड सारा विराजई से हात पार विश्व सारा भक्त रक्षण करे परा तो काम जे भक्त रक्षण हे कृपा घन नारायण विश्व तो पाख रुजन में विश्रांति पाए इतरणे नील सिंदूर ढेउ परी जन्म विलय गति धरी तुवटु नाथ जगन्नाथ सभिए तोहरी आश्रित तेणु प्रसाद तो मंदिरे खाती सबे एकत्र रे हे दारु ब्रह्म नारायण मो पीड़ा तू ग्रहरण पीड़ा तो मिल नर पाई शरण दियो हे गोसाई शरण दियो हे गोसाई शरण दियो हे गोसाई। बोलो जय जगन्नाथ।